Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about sleeping lines. So let's divide into two parts. Let's talk about what a line is first. Have you noticed when you go to a supermarket and you have to go to the cashier to pay for your stuff that there's always a line, right? People always stand in a straight line. So now you kind of have an idea of what a line is. It's a group of people standing together. So now let's imagine these people are dots. So a line can be defined as a row of closely spaced dots, like how people stand in a supermarket. So that's what a line is. So the actual definition of a line is a row of closely spaced dots. Now let's talk about what a sleeping line is. A sleeping line, let's look at the picture of the person sleeping there. Now if I were to draw a line of how the person was sleeping, it would be a straight line in that manner, right? If I were to take the line out, it would look like this. It would look like the red line that you can see right here. So that red line is also known as a sleeping line because it resembles someone sleeping. And this line can also be called a horizontal line. So now that you know what a sleeping line is, let's learn how to draw a sleeping line. So you start from a single dot, move out and stop. It sounds pretty simple, yeah? So let's try it out for ourselves. Get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. Now I'm going to draw with you. So you start with one dot and then you move out and then you stop. And that's a horizontal line. Again, you start with a dot, you start with a dot, you move out and you stop. You start with a dot, you move out and you stop. And you can try this yourself so you can get better at drawing sleeping lines. So now let's talk about how we use sleeping lines when we write our alphabets. And you're going to learn what your alphabets are, right? So there's this letter called L. So the L is made up of a sleeping line and a standing line. And in the letter, I have highlighted the sleeping line part in red, so you can see the sleeping line. Let's take and it's made up of one sleeping line and one standing line. And with the letter E, it's made up of one standing line and three sleeping lines. And I've highlighted the three sleeping lines with red. And I think it's that simple, and that's all we have to do for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you've understood.